Guys, I will show you my toys. First, this is my bear. Sand. This is my bear, so I can take so yellow. This name is Sandy. So I can take so this is a cute or no? Cute. Okay, this is a cute bear and yellow bear. Okay, next. Next, my bear is doggy. So this is a doggy. Their ears is blue and nose. And little doggy. This is a my doggy. So this is a my doggy into this name is Pumpkin and your tail is little. So little chihuahua doggy. Oh, little turtle. This is color is green. Then I'll just show you a corrugated. So how this is eyes is black, two eyes, then nose is green. Okay, name is Prada.
No more.
Next, oh, doggy again, blue. This name is Blue's Clues. This is a in the channel or cable. So this is the toy. His nose is blue. Her tongue is pink and her ears is long. And then we are corrugated footprints. So I gonna for the toys to go and make. And then going next. Okay, this is a Minnie Mouse in the cable again in channel. So this is the Disney and her couple is Mickey Mouse. Okay, her ribbon is pink and her eyes is black and white, so eyelashes is black. So her dress is red by white and her shoes is yellow. Okay, I think so this is a beautiful toy. And this is a Barney and the channel or cable. Now, this is a the little toy, so this is the biggest in world toy. Now, I could show you is this how it identified. Her feet is orange and her skin is purple. Now, I could show you this teeth is super white because this is a the toy, so I can think so this is a beautiful toy. Thank you for much. And hi, this is skin is white and say hi or hello. Now this house is brown and mouth and little toy. Her eyes is black. So this name is Pooh. The last is Hello Kitty. This is the favorite of little girls that we are also in American or Philippines. So this is a the bull world and her nose is yellow. Now her eyes is black and her clothes is black. Now her dress is black and red and her flower rose is red and green. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video and new toys again. Goodbye!